Hi everyone, this is Sridhar from Pedasys Learning Technologies. We got our website developed through Fresa Technologies, and the experience has been very nice, especially Jaya, who helped work with me closely to get the multiple versions developed, reviews done, and the final version going live. So she's been through and through with me, and sometimes even I used to forget the deadlines. I used to miss the deadlines, and she was actively following up, checking with me, and chasing me sometimes to make sure that we stuck to the deadlines, we stuck to the timelines, and we were on time developing the sites and finally going live to our satisfaction. So Fresa has been very helpful and the service has been very good. So I would like to continue to work with them to make sure that we do our further updates and do more work and more associations. So I hear that they are completing 10 years of their service in the industry, which is brilliant, and I hope they continue to do many more decades in the best of the customer service and continue to grow. All the best, Fresa, and wishing you many more years to come. Thanks.